All right, welcome to True North Provisions TV, where we aim to give you the most authentic experience as we possibly can in the life of a chef. Today we're keeping it pretty simple with some pasta in volume. We've got Chef D working on a mix of bow tie and elbow pastas for a head count of 200 people. Now we like to leave a lot of the little details in our videos to give you some perspective on real life as a chef, without the glitz and glam of television studios and video production. So I'll shut up now and pipe in with some useful information as it comes up. Yes, this is an ice shovel, and I'll explain why the ice is necessary. This tool Chef D is using is a round mesh skimmer. Chef D is shocking the pasta to stop the cooking process in its tracks. This is considered to be an old school method, but proves to be very effective, especially when preparing this kind of volume. Now, our daily duties consist of preparing for large banquets, preparing staff lunch for about 125 employees of the hotel we're operating out of, and other tasks that we'll expand on further at a later time.
Chef, what'd you have in this guy? Heard.
Right here, Chef D takes a second to replenish curly fries being provided to staff
You want to hold this in
for
the
their
box or
lunch.
want me to take it down the hall? Heard.
Please don't hesitate to comment with questions for us to answer or offer suggestions on how we can provide an even better experience for you.
The lady said there's no spoons. Can't find them? What are we gonna do? We gotta come up with a solution. You know? Yeah. If I...
He'll be storing the pasta in a 22-quart container.
Me? See, you? I come after my class. Yeah. How do you say I teach a class every morning from 9 to 12 in Spanish? Yo!
When you're done with pasta, you can clear it out because we don't have penne. All finished chicken if you want to work on beef.
Heard.
So what we'll do is get a blender, finish off like the herbs, make a little bit of like herb oil. We'll rub them down, and then we'll get Montreal steak seasoning, and we'll rub that in, and then set them up one on like a roasting rack on a sheet tray.
Heard.
You know what I mean?
Yep.
Or, you know, just the grates. So then.
We're gonna mark those guys, yeah?
Now, 99.9% of chefs are going to relate to the struggle that is saran wrap. This here is elbow pasta because it's curved, much like your elbow. The other batch was bow tie pasta because it resembles, well, I think you get the idea. Chef D is using a permanent marker to label the pasta with the date the pasta was prepared, so the other chefs are also aware and safely using the product. This seems like a small detail, but it's extremely important in kitchens.
Al, this pot is very hot.